Hi, here is Vandana Metkar. Now mark here student, standard number 10th. Today we are going to solve the equations from the maths first, lesson first, linear equation in two variables, and now we are going to solve the practice set 1.1. Let us start to solving the equations. First equation is question is given, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. First equation is given 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. We assume this is as a equation number first. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. We assume here as a equation number second. Here we see carefully the coefficient of a variable x is here differ in both equations. In first equation here is coefficient 5 and second equation coefficient is 2. But in a variable y there are coefficient plus 3 and minus 3 is a coefficient is same and their sign is differ. Therefore after adding these two equations plus 3 and minus 3 get immediately cancelled and automatically we get the answer of variable y. Therefore first we assume this is equation number first, this is equation number second, and then we observe carefully the coefficient of x and y, and now we have to add these two equations because coefficient of a variable y are same and their sign are differ. Therefore we let us add equation first and second. Here we adding the equation first and second. See here 5x and 2x both are same sign as a positive. Therefore positive 5x and positive 2x again add and become 7x. Positive 3y and negative 3y get cancelled and become 0. Now 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. This 7 is in a multiplication join with the variable x. Now this 7 is going to right side as a in a divide. X is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore final answer is x is equal to 3. We got it. Now place this x is equal to 2 value in equation first and second both also. We can place this value in equation first also and second also, but here given the equation first, therefore we can took the equation first. Equation first is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, except the x we write here 3, and in 5 and x there is a multiplication sign. Therefore 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3y equal to 9 is as it is. Now 5 into 3 is equal to become 15. This 15 is here positive and going to either side of equal to sign, it's become to negative. Therefore 3y is equal to 9 minus 15 and 3y is equal to, here our sign are differ, therefore there becomes subtraction and answer get bigger number, sign is negative. Therefore answer is 3y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 divided by 3 because 3 is here in multiplication operation. Going to either side it is going to divide. Minus 6 upon 3 is become to minus 2. In this way the solution of first equation is xy means 3 and minus 2. Always write the answer of x variable first. We have to write always x variables answer firstly, or a variable firstly, or p variable firstly. Therefore here written the equation and solutions of these two equations means answer of x is 3 comma answer of y is equal to minus 2, bracket is complete. Now we going to solve the equation number second. Here also ask for solving the simultaneous equation. Here given these two equations, first equation assume as a first and next one is assume as a second number equation. Now here also observe the coefficient of a, here is 3 and here is 1 means again differ. Coefficient of b, here is plus 5 and plus 5. Coefficient is same but sign also same, then we have to subtract it. Why subtract? After subtraction second number equations changes its signs and plus 5 become minus 5, plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 3a minus a become 2a, 26 minus 22 because here is firstly positive 22. After subtraction it is become to negative 22 means 26 minus 22 is going to 4. Therefore 2a is equal to 4. 2 is going to in a denominator or in a divide. After division a is equal to 2. This is we get the answer a is equal to 2. Place this value in any equation first or 2. I have taken here equation number second, a plus 5b is equal to 22. Here see, this is the equation number second. I have taken this equation number second. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Except a, we substitute here value 2. 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. 2 is here positive, going to either side as a negative, and 22 minus 2 is become 20. Now 5 is here multiplication, going to either side as a division. 20 minus 20 divided by 5 become a 4. Now answer of B we will get 4. Now solution of this equation, first A comma B is equal to A's answer is 2 and B's answer is 4. Now see here second one equation, x plus 7y is equal to 10. Assume this is equation number first. 3y minus 2y is equal to 7. Assume this is equation number second. Now see here coefficient of x and y both are differ. Then we have to do here coefficient same. How we substitute? I am here taking the equation number 3, equation number first, multiply by 3. Why? Because I have to do the coefficient of x. I have to do the coefficient same of variable x. Now I am after that I observe that the coefficient of x is here in equation first is 1 and in equation is 3. So I have to multiply equation 1 by 3. Equation 1 by 3. Now x into 3 become 3x, 7 into 3 become 21, y and 10 into 3 become 30. Now assume this is as equation number 3. Now consider equation 3 and equation 2. Here is coefficient of x is same but sign is also same, therefore we have to subtract. After subtraction, plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled, plus 21 plus 2 minus 2 become here plus 2 because here is a subtraction. My plus 21 plus 2 become 23y. 30 minus 7 become 23. Y is equal to 23 divided by 23. Therefore, we get value of y is equal to 1. Now, this value of y we place in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 7y is equal to 10. X plus 7 into, substitute the value of y is 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7 and 7 go to either side as a negative because here 7 is positive. 10 minus 7 become to 3, therefore we get the answer of x is 3. Now solution of x, y, always write the answer first x variable. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is complete here the equation. Now see the equation number, question number 3, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Assume this is equation number first. 2x plus 5y, 2x plus y is equal to 13. Assume this is equation number second. In same way, now see here 2x are same, sign also same, then we have to subtract. Now equation second, subtracting from the equation first, from the equation second. First equation here written, second equation here written, changing the signs of second equation. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, y plus 3y become 4y, 13 minus 9 become 4. This 4 is in a multiplication, here going to division, and 4 by 4 y is equal to 1. Place this value of y is equal to 1 in any equation. I have taken here equation number second, 2x plus y is equal to 13. 2x plus, substitute the value of y is a 1. Except the y, here written 1, plus 1 going to either side as a minus 1. 13 minus 1 is become to 12. 2 is in multiplication, here going to division. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore solution of this equation xy is equal to 6, 1. Now see here equation number 4. Question number 4 is 5m minus 3m is equal to 19. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Listen here carefully. Here are variable are changes, m and n. Now we see the observe carefully. M coefficient is 5. Here is 1. N coefficient is 0 minus 3. Here is minus 6. I have taken an IDM and I am going to multiply equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 by 2 multiplying, then here is coming 6 minus 6 minus 6. After subtraction going to plus 6 and minus 6. And n variable and coefficient n is automatically cancelled. See here, multiply the equation 1 by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10m. 3 multiplied by 2 is minus 6n. And 19 multiplied by 2 become 38. Now subtract equation second from equation 3. 10m minus 6n is equal to 38 minus m plus 6n plus 7 plus 6n minus 6n get cancelled. 10 minus 1 become 9m. 38 plus 7 become 45. M is equal to 45 upon 9. Now m is equal to 5. Here we getting the value m is equal to 5. Place in any equation. I have taken here equation number 2nd. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. They are given this equation. Substitute the value m as a 5 minus 6m is equal to minus 7. I have do here minus 6n going to either side as a plus 6n and minus 7 going to either side as a plus 7. Now 5 plus 7 become to 12 and is equal to 6n. 6 is here multiplication going to division. 12 divided by 6 is answer, we will get 2. Now solution of this fourth number equation is mn is equal to into bracket 5 comma 2. We have to write it compulsory in this way, otherwise we will cut their marks in exam. Now equation number 5, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, x plus 5y is equal to 4. This is equation number 12. We will continue remaining 5 equations in the next video. If you like this video, then subscribe, click on bell icon and share as possible as peoples. Thank you. Bye bye.